Ethics are the backbone of every successful organization, shaping trust, accountability, and long-term impact. In this presentation, we explore how ethical principles can be embedded into organizational frameworks to drive responsible leadership and sustainable results. For example, when Johnson & Johnson faced the Tylenol crisis, their ethical decision to prioritize consumer safety set a gold standard for corporate responsibility. The foundation of ethical organizations. Ethics as organizational DNA. Ethics serves as the foundational pillar for organizational trust, accountability, and culture formation. Without embedded ethical frameworks, organizations risk losing stakeholder confidence and operational legitimacy. Give example, Duda et al., 2022. Emphasize the critical importance of integrating ethics directly into organizational competency models, moving beyond surface-level compliance to deep structural integration. Our goal: systematically embed ethical principles into individual performance plans, IPPs, triple impact management model, TM, and AI governance frameworks. Understanding the strategic frameworks. These frameworks work synergistically to prevent organizational bias, enhance inclusivity, and maintain institutional legitimacy in an increasingly complex business environment. Ethical decision-making and accountability systems. Embedded ethical standards. Integrate ethics across all organizational levels through comprehensive codes of conduct directly tied to individual performance plans, ensuring accountability at every decision point. TIE-MM. Balance, implementation. Balance profit maximization with sustainability initiatives and social fairness, creating measurable metrics that demonstrate responsible business practices. AI oversight. Governance. Establish dedicated oversight boards to continuously monitor algorithmic bias, ensure fairness in automated decisions, and maintain transparent AI operations. Transforming recruitment practices. Ethical foundation in hiring. Modern recruitment strategies must explicitly integrate integrity, fairness, and diversity principles from the initial job posting through final selection decisions. Craft job advertisements emphasizing ethical values and social responsibility. Design behavioral interview questions addressing ethical dilemma scenarios. Implement diversity and inclusion metrics throughout the hiring process. Assess candidates' alignment with organizational values and ethical standards. Case study. Unilever revolutionized recruitment by prioritizing candidates who demonstrate genuine commitment to sustainability values, resulting in 40% higher employee retention rates. Performance management revolution. Integrate ethical KPIs. Add quantifiable ethical performance indicators to traditional performance reviews, measuring integrity, transparency, and stakeholder impact alongside productivity metrics. Recognize collaborative excellence. Systematically reward collaboration, fairness, and regulatory compliance through formal recognition programs and performance-based incentives. Implement 360-degree feedback. Establish comprehensive feedback systems that evaluate ethical behavior from multiple perspectives, including peers, subordinates, and stakeholders. Industry example. Google's 360-degree feedback system incorporates ethical decision-making assessments, creating a culture of mutual accountability and continuous ethical development. Leadership development excellence. Comprehensive ethical training. Leadership development programs must incorporate ethical decision-making simulations, real-world dilemma analysis, and accountability frameworks. Interactive simulations addressing complex ethical scenarios. Case study analysis of ethical failures and successes. Accountability training for ethical decision-making, and continuous learning modules on emerging ethical challenges. Real-world impact and competitive advantage. Organizations with strong ethical foundations consistently demonstrate higher levels of stakeholder trust, employee loyalty, and market reputation, creating sustainable competitive advantages. Ethical integration creates measurable long-term competitive advantages through enhanced stakeholder relationships and operational resilience. Strategic implementation roadmap. Systematic ethics integration. Ethics must be embedded systematically across all organizational functions, from strategic planning to daily operational decisions, creating a comprehensive ethical ecosystem. Performance and leadership reinforcement. Continuously reinforce ethical values through performance management systems and leadership development programs, creating sustainable behavioral change. Recruitment transformation. Implement ethically aligned hiring practices that prioritize value alignment, ensuring new employees strengthen rather than dilute organizational ethical standards. Long-term cultural transformation. Achieve stronger organizational culture, enhanced reputation, and superior performance through sustained commitment to ethical excellence. References: Dutta, D. Mishra, S.K., and Boudoir, P. 2022. Ethical Leadership and Employee Pro-Environmental Behavior, the Mediating Role of Organizational Identification, IIMB Management Review, 34-2, 123-135, Fu, J., and Wang, L., 2024. Corporate Social Responsibility and Organizational Reputation, a Systematic Review, Public Relations Review, 53, 245-260, Kokai W., N., Chatanawat, W., and Pipitsupa Fall, T., 2022. AI Governance Frameworks in Organizational Contexts, Aon Shams Engineering Journal, 13-4, 178, 192, Padeo, D., and Lyons, G., 2024, Sustainable Business Practices and Stakeholder Engagement, Futures, 158, 103, 118.